Okay, I just got a new island for my kitchen, which I'll show you a little bit real quick. It's actually just simply a cabinet a base cabinet that a guy my husband worked with gave us because they were replacing their cabinets, and we brought it home, and I got a butcher block top for it. So today I'm going to show you how I season my butcher block. And this works for cutting boards, even your wooden spoons and utensils for cooking with. But first off, we're going to make this. And we're going to have 3 ingredients, one of which is beeswax, coconut oil, and with the coconut oil you want the extra virgin, unrefined, organic, and the third is mineral oil. Now you do want to keep this, you want to make sure it is a food grade mineral oil, because there are some that aren't. Now what we're going to do as far as the recipe, we need 1/4 cup of the beeswax, 1/4 cup of the coconut oil, and 1/2 cup of the mineral oil. So I'm going to put these in here real quick. And in the meantime, I have a pan of water on the stove. And the reason I'm using a metal bowl is because it's going to be my double boiler, because we have to melt these. And I forgot to get me a spatula. So now we need 1/4 cup of the coconut oil. And basically, it's a simple recipe. It's 25% beeswax, 25% coconut oil, and 50% mineral oil. So if you want to make a double batch, make 1/2 cup of coconut oil, 1/2 cup of beeswax, and a full cup of mineral oil. I think I have just about enough. Okay. Once I finish that. And these. I'll go ahead and pour the mineral oil. Which is a 1/2 cup. Set it over here. And let's get my jar. It's going to set over here. Okay, now I'm going to move you because I've got to go to the stove. We're just going to put this on my wood stove here. Has water in the pan, working as a double boiler. I'm not real good on angles here, so you'll have to forgive me. But we're going to let this melt. Keep blocking my light. Okay. We are almost melted. Almost. It's all melted and stirred really well together. And then all we're going to do simply is make a mess. Take this off of here. That's the one I use for my wood stove. Stained up a bit. Okay. I'm going to pour this into a small jar. But first I'm going to dry some of the condensation off of the bottom so we don't drip it into our mixture. See if I can point you down a bit. Let's pour it in our jar. Leave it set and cool. Once it's cool, it will look very similar to this one. So now what I'm going to do, because I do have one already made, this one needs to cool for a couple of hours at least. So I'm going to move you back over here and see if I can point you at this table a little bit. And show you how we put this on here. Now, what you need to apply this with is just a soft cloth. Pretty much any cloth will do, as long as it's a good soft cloth. Now, we just open this up, get a dab on our rag. I seem to be doing a lot of buffing lately between wood stoves and now a countertop. And I don't know if you can see that way back here, but you can see it here. Just work it into the table or into the countertop. Don't be afraid to put it on fairly thick. We are going to buff it really well. Get any excess off. But this wood, since this is new, it's never had a finish on it, it's going to soak it up. In fact, I may end up putting a couple of coats on it before I'm done with it. So, don't forget to get your sides and edges really well. Now, this needs to set on here for a couple hours. And then we can come back and buff it out really well. Which seems to be my thing. Buffing. But as you can see, leaves the wood gorgeous. The natural shine, natural wood color. You can stain these. I just prefer not to. I prefer the original wood look. Now your ends are going to really soak it up because it's the ends of the board. I'm going to finish buffing this in, or actually just wiping it on. I rub it in a little bit as I'm going, but not a whole lot. We're going to let it really soak in well, and then for a couple of hours, and then I'll bring you back after I finish doing the other half of this counter. And we've waited a couple hours. Give it a couple hours to soak in, and I'll bring you back and show you how we buff it and how it looks. It's a real simple process. This 100% natural. It's actually edible even. If you really want to eat marijuana. Don't know that I would want to, but it is a food grade mineral oil. So I'll see you back in a couple of hours. Let me just give you a shot before I finish this other end so you can see the difference in the table and what it looks like. Let me see if I can get an upper shot. Alright, I'll see you back here. Okay, we're back. And I'm going to go ahead and buff this out. Just really put some elbow grease in there. And work it out of there. Get the excess off. There is excess. That second coat really added to it. And I figured being this was new, and it had never been treated before, it would soak it up. And would probably take a couple of coats. But this is all there is to it. Just go through and really buff it out. I can tell the difference on where it's close to the stove and where it's not. If it happens to solidify too much, or not solidify but harden too much, cool down too much and harden, just take a hairdryer to it. A hairdryer will soften it right up and you can buff it out. It's looking gorgeous now. I don't know if you can see it from your side or not, but this is really bringing out the wood grain in it. And after it's been used for a while, depending on how much usage and what have you, I really don't intend to cut on it. I have a cutting board just for cutting on. But that doesn't mean it won't get mixed with scrapes and scratches. People finish one off of it over time. All you have to do is the exact same thing that we just done. Just reapply more let it set for a couple hours, and buff it out again, and it will be good as new. I'm probably shaking the camera on you. I don't mean to make you dizzy or sick. Just keep buffing until you can pretty much feel it where it's at and where it's not. It kind of drags where it still has some on there on the surface. All right, I think we're just about done. So I did want to tell you all thank you very much for stopping in, and I hope this is helpful for you. If you have a cutting board or this type of counter, it works wonders. It will season it and it will protect it. So thank you very much for watching, and we'll catch you on the next video. Bye-bye. Okay, I just wanted to bring you back real quick and let you see what the island looks like finished. Now, I may be redoing a little bit of it like this pot rack. I'm thinking that possibly this right here, I may have him put a T on there and put 2 lines going across. Maybe it would be better. Give me a little more room to hang things on. It's pretty jumbled the way it is. And I'll have a fraction of my pots up there. So, but at any rate, I wanted to let you see just a little bit of what it looks like finished. And the top is absolutely gorgeous and sealed, protected. So that will be it till the next video. I'm not sure what that one will be. Got to get into the candy making. But thank you all for watching, and we'll catch you later on. Bye-bye.